Parlimento SIR Shezawi Khorangti Shilaika Barotha Kotoni MP Rok Logyo Tongo Sonia Gandhi Biharo Election Commission voter list yi Kebenai Bodoloni Fashingti Juda Kok Shilchamong Shilaimani Khaduma Funuk Laimani Nungsakha Parlimento Tangshala Odibishon Chengma Yagulo Kebenai Bodolok Juda Kok Shilchamong Shili Election Commission Avian Shezawi Kashuna Bagai Parlimento Khaduma Funuk Laika Oroko Khurzatai Kalayo Congress Bodolni Agai Adongzuk Sonia Gandhi Lai Tangjak Shangrong Shalo Khaduma Funuk Thani Thangmanjagi Mani Te Kebenai Bodolni Shanmongkha SI Ano Rikshawi voter list Kari Nani Bagai Tongko Shangtonglai Lokurokno Bandiwi Tongkha Khabeli Tonglaikha Abubai Kabangma Lokurokno Bojina Bagai Sheplejagai Botongkha Abohaino Kok Hunuhana Khana Jagai Tongo Parliament ni
Khulumka hasani lukurangno Norni Bagai Bilekino Kaham Sep to be Feka St. Joseph Hospital West Noabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura Hasane Fatara Thaya Karino Hayung Bermni Shakdog Naikani Sep Nahari Mano Belekino Rankisha Bino O Hospital Sarbrumno General OPD wo Sakdog Najago O Hospital X-ray Ki Suti Cough Test Klayani Bagai Namashak Shep Shap Tongo Te Test Klay Rizago O hospital hati barthagino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor ro phai sakdok naifeyo tei abo simia o St. Joseph Hospital o talburumna Chennai ni specialist doctor ro phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital o latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation ni facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi sakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bem ni sakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayor treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital Lokin Sulai Oro Kisha Rangbaino Kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagoi tin hospital of hai visit khlaimano hambai